Now that you're an expert at making Miimus, it's time to create bundles. Bundles are folders that allow you to organize Miimus. To create a new bundle, click the New Bundle plus sign. Name your new bundle right away. Save your new bundle. Your new bundle will appear on your page. To add Miimus to your bundles, drag and drop them from the Miimu inbox. The Miimu will instantly appear in the bundle. Another way to assign a Miimu to a bundle is to go through the Miimu 3-dot menu. Select the Details option. From here, select a bundle for your Miimu to live in. Don't forget to save. It's possible to create bundles within bundles. These are called sub-bundles. To add a sub-bundle, click the plus sign in the circle inside the bundle you want to add to. Name your sub-bundle, just like you would for a regular bundle. Save the sub-bundle. To make changes to your bundle, visit the 3-dot menu and click Edit Bundle. Here you can edit the bundle name and location, or delete it altogether. Change the way you see your bundles by clicking on the eyeball icon. This is the View menu. Click Multi-Bundle View to change to a horizontal format. Bundles and sub-bundles will expand and become scrollable. To switch back, go to the View menu and select Single Bundle View. This will display bundle titles in a tab format. To make changes to a bundle, click the 3-dot bundle menu on the right. Bundles can be made available for public viewing. To do so, select Make Public in the bundle menu. This is a reversible action, so press OK to release the bundle into the wild. To see the bundle, visit your profile. Anyone can see or follow your public bundles here. To remove a public bundle from your profile, return to the 3-dot bundle menu and click Make Private. To share bundles with friends and other Miimu users, click Share Bundle. This share window will appear to provide a unique bundle link for sharing. Copy the link to paste in a text, email or other messaging service. This guide covered tasks like adding, editing, and sharing bundles in Miimu. Check out our other videos and enjoy the bundles of fun.